So, hello guys, I'm Rica Maybe Peralta. Ito ang final project ko para sa IT Elect 3208. So, ang title ng project ko ay Interactive Visualization of Sales Performance and Customer Segmentation using Pokken. So, Ginagamit ko po ang isang Superstore dataset na may sales data ng product, customers, orders, at iba pa. Ang goal po ng project na ito ay ipakita kung paano makakatulong ang data visualization sa pag-analyze ng business performance gamit ang Python. So, unang-una in-import ako ng libraries tulad ng PADAS at Library, Seaborn, at Pokken. So, ito po yung mga final result. So, monthly sales over time. So, ito yung line chart showing the total sales per month. And then, total sales by category. Ayan, yan po yung bar chart kung saan makikita na mas malaki ang technology. So, ayan. And then, may total sales by region tayo. So, makikita na mas mataas ang sales sa West region. So, ayan, may heat map po tayo dito. And then, total sales by region. And then, total sales by category. And then, may top 10 products by sales. So, ayan. And then, may number of order by customer segment tayo dito. So, ito yung comparison between customer, corporate, and home office customer. Ayan yung order count, product name, ayan. And then mga sales, ayan.